Okay, so now let's move on to our next section, which is our blog section of your website. Now, yes, we're going to have the ability to have a blog up here, a separate section for your blog, but this is just to be able to display maybe your most recent article, which is its default setting. It'll display your most recent article here. Let's go through how do you make a post. So first I want us to make sure we publish this, and then we can exit that, and I'll show you guys. So you want to go back to our dashboard, becoming our favorite place now, and you want to go to posts. Now these are posts are where you make your posts, this is where you go to put out content onto your blog. So you just want to go to here, and we don't need this this one here that they've created. We'll get rid of this here. We can make our own. So what you want to do is you can just hit add new, and we're going to go through now and make a post. So you saw on my original one I had a made up post about the benefits of a morning routine, and morning routine is actually something I'm actually a very big believer in myself, something I've got into. The reason I've integrated is because the way you start off your day impacts how you'll feel for the entire day. And you've probably all heard about morning routines and their importance, but so many of us just put things off and we don't try to integrate them into our life. And I've found, at least since I've integrated it into my life, it's had a massive impact. So if you are interested, I'll eventually be creating a video on that, but we're digressing a little bit now. So yeah, you can just type in whatever you'd like here, and then so you can type in whatever here. You can add images in. I'll just give you a quick rundown. So just say you wanted to add an image in of just say you had yourself an image. Maybe you'd find your own, and you can move it to wherever you like, and we would have our image in there. And yeah, it's easy to use. It's almost like using Word. You just go through and you type it all out, put in images. Here's all your images. You can put in links. You can do bold, italic, whatever you want, really. And something you always want to remember when you make a blog post is to set a featured image. It's basically the image that will be displayed on the front of the blog post. You'll see in a minute what I mean. So I've got an image already that I found, and then we just hit set featured image, and then all you do is hit publish. Great. So now if we go back to our site, and there we go. So we've got our blog post, whatever's our most recent one comes up, is displayed here.